Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we're fixing the Miles Morales PS5 install stuck issue. Let's start by checking the PS5 storage in case the PS5 doesn't have enough space for the install. With the PS5 turned on, go to Settings and verify the available PS5 storage. If the PS5 storage is low, delete and use PS5 games or apps. Now restart the PS5 to refresh the system. Hold the PS5 power button until the second beep to fully shut down the PS5. Once the PS5 powers off, unplug the PS5 power cable. Leave the PS5 unplugged for 30 seconds to clear temporary PS5 cache. Plug the PS5 power cable back into the PS5. Turn on the PS5 and try launching the Miles Morales PS5 install again. If the PS5 install is still stuck, cancel the PS5 download completely. Head into the PS5 downloads menu and delete the stuck PS5 install file. Restart the PS5 one more time for a clean setup. Now reinsert the Miles Morales PS5 disc if you're using a disc version. Let the PS5 read the disc and begin the PS5 installation again. If you're downloading the digital version, re-trigger the PS5 download from your library. Watch the PS5 install bar closely to see if it progresses. If the PS5 install freezes again, we'll check the PS5 internet connection. Go to PS5 settings and run a PS5 network test. A slow PS5 connection can cause stuck installs on the PS5. Try connecting your PS5 with a LAN cable instead of Wi-Fi. Plug the LAN cable firmly into the back of the PS5. Restart the PS5 after switching network modes. Now retry the Miles Morales PS5 download once more. If the PS5 still gets stuck, let's rebuild the PS5 database. Turn off the PS5 completely again. Hold the PS5 power button for 7 seconds until you hear 2 beeps. This boots your PS5 into safe mode. Connect the PS5 controller with a cable to the PS5. Choose Rebuild Database from the PS5 Safe Mode menu. The PS5 will reorganize game files and fix corrupt PS5 data. After the PS5 completes the rebuild, restart the PS5 normally. Now attempt the Miles Morales PS5 install again. If the PS5 continues freezing, we'll check the PS5 game disk for damage. Remove the Miles Morales PS5 disk and inspect it under good light. Clean the PS5 disk gently with a microfiber cloth. Insert the Miles Morales PS5 disk firmly back into the PS5. Wait for the PS5 to recognize the disk properly. Try reinstalling once the PS5 disk loads. If you're still stuck, pause any background PS5 apps or downloads. Close all PS5 running applications to free system resources. Restart the Miles Morales PS5 installation again. If the PS5 install bar still doesn't move, check your PS5 system software. Update your PS5 firmware to the latest PS5 version. Restart the PS5 after the update completes. Begin the Miles Morales PS5 install again with a clean start. 90% of PS5 stuck installs fix after these steps. If your PS5 remains stuck, try installing another PS5 game to compare. If other PS5 games install normally, the Miles Morales PS5 data may need re-download. And that's how you fix the Miles Morales PS5 install stuck issue here on Tech Vibes.